Imagine standing on a beach when the ocean suddenly disappears, not by a few meters, but for miles. Fish flop helplessly on the exposed seabed. Boats lie stranded on the sand. People pull out their phones. Some even walk closer. They have no idea that the biggest wave in Earth's history is already racing toward them. This is the timeline of a mega tsunami. 0 seconds. Deep beneath the ocean, thousands of meters below the surface. Two enormous tectonic plates have been locked together for centuries. Every year they push against each other, only a few centimeters. But the pressure never stops building, until, without warning, the fault finally breaks. The ocean floor suddenly jumps upward by several meters. An earthquake stronger than magnitude 9 shakes the planet. People hundreds of kilometers away feel the ground moving. But this isn't the real disaster. It has only just begun. 30 seconds. The ocean starts moving. When the seabed rises, it lifts trillions of tons of water with it. Unlike normal waves, a tsunami moves the entire depth of the ocean, from the surface all the way to the seabed. Out in deep water, ships barely notice anything. The wave may only be a meter high, but beneath it, an unimaginable amount of energy is moving. The tsunami begins spreading in every direction, traveling as fast as a passenger jet. 2 minutes, the first warning. Earthquake alerts begin reaching nearby cities. Seismologists know immediately a massive tsunami is possible. Emergency sirens sound. Phones vibrate with evacuation alerts. People living near the coast have only minutes to react. Some leave instantly, others wait. Some don't believe it's serious. Every second now matters. 5 minutes, the ocean disappears. Along parts of the coastline, something impossible happens. The sea begins pulling away, hundreds of meters, then even farther. Harbors become empty. The ocean floor is suddenly visible. Children chase stranded fish. Tourists film the scene. Many think it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. They don't realize they're standing exactly where the tsunami is about to arrive. 10 minutes. The wall of water. At the horizon, a dark line appears. It grows larger and larger. This isn't like a surfing wave. It's more like an entire ocean rising. The first surge slams into the coast. Buildings disappear beneath the water. Cars become floating debris. Trees snap like matchsticks. The current moves with incredible force. Anything not anchored is swept away. 20 minutes. The second wave. Many people believe it's over. Then another wave arrives, and another. Tsunamis rarely come as a single wave. Sometimes the largest wave isn't even the first. Floodwaters push farther inland, bridges collapse, roads vanish beneath the current. Entire neighborhoods become rivers. 1 hour, chaos, power fails. Cell towers stop working. Roads are blocked. Emergency services struggle to reach survivors. Helicopters begin rescue missions. Boats search flooded neighborhoods. People climb rooftops, waiting to be rescued. Families become separated. Communication becomes almost impossible. 6 hours. The ocean keeps moving. Even after the largest waves pass, the sea remains dangerous. Powerful currents continue pulling water inland, then dragging it back out. Each surge carries cars, trees, shipping containers, and pieces of buildings. The coastline has been permanently changed 24 hours. The scale becomes clear. Satellite images reveal the devastation. Entire towns have disappeared. Ports are destroyed. Thousands of homes are gone. Coastal roads no longer exist. Rescue teams from around the world begin arriving. Hospitals are overwhelmed. The search for survivors continues around the clock. 1 week later, attention shifts from rescue to survival. Clean drinking water becomes scarce. Electricity remains unavailable in many areas. Temporary shelters fill with families who lost everything. Volunteers distribute food. Engineers inspect damaged bridges and buildings. Some places may never be rebuilt. 1 year later, construction continues. Seawalls are redesigned. Early warning systems become more advanced. Entire communities move farther inland. Scientists study every second of the disaster, looking for lessons that could save lives. Because one thing has become painfully clear. The ocean always gives warnings. The challenge is recognizing them in time. Mega tsunamis are incredibly rare, but ordinary tsunamis have happened throughout history, and they will happen again. If you're ever near the coast and you feel a powerful earthquake, or see the ocean suddenly pulling away from the shore, don't wait. Don't stop to take pictures, and don't try to get a closer look. Run to higher ground immediately, because by the time you can actually see the wave, it may already be too late.